Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize FTP disabled access and secure alternatives on VPS. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your virtual private server using SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or Terminal. Enter your VPS IP address and port number, usually port 22, for SSH. Once connected, provide your username and password to gain access. Next, check if FTP is installed on your server. You can do this by typing FTP in the terminal. If you see a message indicating that FTP is not recognized, it is disabled. If FTP is installed and active, consider disabling it for security reasons. To do this, you can stop the FTP service. Type sudo systemctl stop vsftpd or the relevant command for your FTP service. Then, disable it from starting at boot using sudo systemctl disable vsftpd. Now, let's set up a secure alternative using SFTP. SFTP is a secure version of FTP that runs over SSH. To allow SFTP access, ensure your SSH service is running. Type sudo systemctl status SSH to check its status. If it is not running, start it with sudo systemctl start SSH. Next, you will need to create a user for SFTP access. Type sudo add user sfuser, replacing sfuser with your desired username. Follow the prompts to set a password for the new user. Next, you will need to edit the SSH configuration file. Type sudo nano /etc /ssh/sshd_config to open the file in the nano text editor. Scroll down to the section for subsystems. You may see a line like subsystem sftp/usr/lib/open/sftp server. Ensure this line is enabled and adjusted if necessary. Then, add a new block at the bottom to restrict SFTP users. Use the following configuration: match user sfuser crit directory /home/sfuser force command internal SFTP allow TCP forwarding. No, save your changes and exit the editor. Now, set the appropriate permissions for the user's home directory. Type sudo chown root /home/sfuser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.